How to use Experian app. Step 1. Download the Experian app from the App Store or Google Play. Open it and sign up with your personal info, name, address, social security number, because this is needed to access your credit report. Step 2. Once you're in, your free Experian credit score appears right on the dashboard. You can tap it to see detailed factors affecting your score like credit usage, payment history, and inquiries. Next, try Experian Boost. It lets you link your bank account to track on-time utility and streaming payments and adds them to your credit history to possibly raise your score instantly. Step 4. Go to the Reports tab to view your full credit reports. The app also sends real-time alerts for new credit inquiries, changes in score, or potential fraud activity. Step 5. Under Tools section, you'll find credit card matches, loan offers, and simulator to see how actions like paying off debt will affect your score. And that's it.